Section B, first unit 1, unit first, week 2, section B, first bit. First bit he is asking, find the product of the following. First he has given 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 8.
Minus 21 by 47.
You be quiet, listen firstly. Now there are two rational numbers are there. We are doing here multiplication operation. If we want to multiply two rational numbers, simply we can multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 7 3 is a minus 21 divided by 8 5 is a 40.
Oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion.
Next, first answer completed. Now B question, minus 8 by 3 multiplied by 4 by minus 15. Again, same thing we can multiply here, numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Then 8 into 4,
Minus
8 into 4
32.
minus 32 divided by 15 3 is a 45,
45.
minus 45.
45.
Now we
Minus
can
minus
cancel
cancel.
out minus up and down. This answer is 32 divided by 45. Next C question. Everyone note down answer in the course book also. C question, minus 15 by 13 into 26 divided by minus 25. One more concept, students, I have explained. When we are multiplying two rational numbers, then we can cancel numerator and denominator. But in the case of
Sir, I
addition
can't hear
and
your
subtraction,
voice.
we can't cancel numerator and denominator. In the case of multiplication, we can cancel out numerator and denominator. Now here minus is there, minus minus I have cancel out. Next, 5 3 is a 15 and 5 5 is a 25. 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26. Now numerator has come 3 into 2 divided by
6.
1 into 5. Answer is what? 6 by
6
5.
by 5.
Note down everyone answer. Answer is 6 by 5. Is there any doubt, students, first bit?
No, sir.
No doubt.
No,
Now I
sir.
am going to explain second bit. Second bit he has asked, divide the following. A question he has given 5 by 12 divided by 3 by minus 14. Listen carefully, students. Those have missed previous class, again concentrate here. If there are two rational numbers, we are doing division operation, then what we can do, whatever first rational number is there, I will write same 5 by 12. Now in the case of division, I will write multiplication. In the case of division, I will write multiplication and will take reciprocal of second rational number. Reciprocal is nothing but inverse of second rational number. Now 3 by 14 is there, I can write here minus 14 by 3. When we are dividing two rational numbers, then whatever first rational number is there, I will write same. In the place of division, I will write multiplication and reciprocal or inverse of second rational number. Next, we want to do multiplication. This concept already I know. When I want to multiply two rational numbers, simply I can multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. What is the answer?
Minus 35 by 18.
Minus 35 by 18. Can we cancel
Yes,
out
sir.
student here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can cancel out here. Otherwise, we can cancel out 2 6 are 12 and 2 7 are 14. Minus 35 by 18.
18.
Yes. Note down everyone answer. First answer is minus 35 by 18. Next, B question. Minus 20 by 32 divided by 8 by 15. Again, whatever first rational number is there, I will write same and I will take reciprocal of second rational number, inverse of second rational number. This I will write same, minus 20 by 32. In the place of division, I will write multiplication symbol and 15 by 8. Now I want to do simplification. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Minus 5 has come here. Next, now we can multiply it. 15 5s are
Minus 75 by
minus
64.
75 divided by 32 to the 64. This is the right answer. Next, C question. He has given minus 16 by 35 divided by 15 by minus 12. Again, how to solve? Whatever first rational number is there, I will write same. In the place of division, I will write multiplication and reciprocal inverse of second rational number. This 16 by 35, I will write same. In the place of division, I will write multiplication inverse of second rational number. Inverse means we can interchange the numerator and denominator. Now numerator has come 12 and denominator has come 15. Okay. Next, we can simplify.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, then what we can do here?
Multiply.
We can multiply
Multiply.
directly. Minus 16 by 35 divided by 15 by minus 12, right? Then minus 16 by 35 into minus 12 by 15. Now we want to do multiplication. Then minus into minus, what will come? Plus. Now 16 into 12. How to multiply, students? Don't do multiplication backside. This read 12 table 6 times. 12 6 are 72.
72, sir.
2 keep here right side and 7 keep in mind. 12 1 just 12. 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7. 19. Divided by, again don't do multiplication backside. We'll multiply here. Read 15 table 5 times. 15 5s are
75.
75. 5 write down here and 7 keep in mind. 15 3s are
45.
45 plus 7.
52.
Right answer. 192 divided by 525. Now students, can I simplify this question? We can simplify this question. Now listen here. I want to cancel with the help of 192 and 525. Both will come which table? 3 table it will come or not? What is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all digit divisible by 3. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Divisible by 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Divisible by 2. Divisible by 3. Now 3 6 are 18, right? Next.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Next. Now 192 I have checked. 192 divisible by.
Sir, 64 by 174.
Yeah, right answer. All students mute yourself. Answer has come 64 divided by
175.
175. This is the right answer. Next, third bit. Find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. I have explained there are 5 methods are there to find rational numbers between given rational numbers. First method is what? Mean method. Second, same denominator with 10, 100,000. Third method is same denominator with any number. And fourth method is what? Which method?
N+1 method.
Very good
N
answer.
plus
N
one
plus 1
method.
method. And last method is consecutive method.
Consecutive
But
method.
in your syllabus, only how many methods are there? 3 methods.
3
Three
methods.
method.
Now I'm going to explain third bit. Check it, everyone. Find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Students, you are observing here. Here denominator are same or different. Denominator are different. If denominator are
Different.
different, I want to take LCM of denominator. Then LCM of 2 and 3. What is answer? 6. Right? After that, 6. Numerator is what? Minus 3. Now 6 divided by 2. What answer will come? 3.
3.
Next.
5 into 2, sir.
Yeah. 6 divided by 3 into 2.
2.
Yeah. Now 3 3s are minus 9 by 6.
And 10 by 6.
And 5 2s are 10 by 6. Now between minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6, how many rational number I can write?
Infinite.
We can write infinite rational numbers.
Infinite.
This given rational numbers. Now how many rational number he is asking? He is asking
5, sir.
5 rational numbers. Next I can write, there is no problem. Then first rational number will be minus 8 by 6, comma, minus 7 by 6, comma, minus 6 by 6, comma, dot dot,
9 by 6.
minus 1 by 6, comma, 0 by 6, comma, 1 by 6, comma dot dot 9 by 6.
9 by
Note down everyone right side answer. Right side space is there in the course book. Note down everyone this answer. Minus 8 by 6 comma minus 7 by 6 comma minus 6 by 6 comma dot dot minus 1 by 6 comma 0 by 6 comma 1 by 6 comma dot dot 9 by 6. Students, always keep in mind when you are finding rational numbers between given rational numbers, this both rational number we will never include. Always we will exclude this both rational numbers. I hope students you are getting my points.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now I'm going to explain fourth bit. Fourth bit he is asking add the following expressions. Add the following expressions.
6. This bit is
Sir,
completed,
we
sir.
should write all this in notebook also, sir.
No, beta. In fourth bit, fifth bit, you can write in the course book only. Sixth and
Sir,
last.
you gave this homework, sir.
Yeah.
Fourth and fifth.
Yeah. I am
Yes,
very.
sir.
You can verify your answer, students. Okay. What is first answer, student? 27x
Plus y
plus y minus 18z.
minus 18z.
Yeah, this is the first answer. Next B answer is what? 30p
30p minus pq
minus pq.
Sir,
Minus
you say second question.
minus
Second
9q
question answer.
plus 11r plus 43. C answer 20x square
x square minus
minus
15x
15x
plus 56.
plus 56.
56, yes.
Fifth bit, subtract the following expressions.
5x. 5x plus y.
Subtract the following expressions.
Sir, 1 minute. I didn't see all answers, sir.
Right. What is first answer, student? First
5x
answer
plus
is
y.
5x plus y. Right answer. 5x plus y.
Y.
What is B answer?
Minus 9ax minus 9by plus 17c.
Right answer. Minus 9ax minus 9by plus 17cz. C answer.
Minus x cube
Listen,
minus 5x square.
listen, student. Firstly, in C question, from word he has mentioned first. If from word is coming first, then first minus second. If from word is coming in middle, then second minus first. This concept always keep in mind, sir. If from word they have mentioned first, then first minus second. If from word is coming in middle, then second minus first. Now in this question, from word is coming first and middle. From word is coming in first. Then we can write here first minus second. This
Yes,
answer
sir.
will come minus x cube
Minus
minus
x
5x square
plus
plus
4x
4x
plus 6.
plus 6. Okay, students. Now sixth bit and first section C first bit. I am giving today's homework. Now everyone take fresh page. On the top keep heading chapter 3 linear equations. All students take fresh page.
Sir, sixth bit.
Sixth bit, I have given homework, and first bit also. Take fresh page, everyone. Chapter 3. Linear equations. Linear equations. Take fresh page, students. On the top, keep heading. Chapter 3. Linear equations. Chapter 3. Linear equations. Linear equations. Now listen carefully, students. Firstly, I want to explain about equation. Firstly, I want to explain about equation. Then I will explain about linear equation. What is the meaning of equation? Listen carefully, everyone. Wherever equality sign is coming, wherever equality sign is coming, that is called equation, or we can say balancing between two sides is called equation, or we can say if the value of LHS is equal to the value of RHS is called equation. Understood, everyone? What is equation? Balancing between two sides is called equation. Suppose this is one weight bridge. This side weight bridge, this side left side weight bridge is holding 2 kg and right side holding 3 kg. Can we balance the weight bridge?
No, sir.
No. Why?
No.
Because left side balance is 2 kg, right side balance is 3 kg.
3
Then what
kg.
I can do? If when I can balance this weight bridge, what I can do? I will add 1 kg weight to the left side. Now we can balance the weight bridge.
Yes.
Yeah. This is called equation. Balancing between two sides is called equation. This left side is called LHS, left hand side, and right side is called RHS, right hand side. Hanis Rao, am I audible? Hanis Rao, am I audible?